Hello and welcome to Me Rice YouTube channel. I'm Me Rice. Today we are going to cook cabbage and coconut sample recipe made in 20 minutes. Ingredients are 250 grams of cabbage, 50 grams of scraped coconut, 1 onion, 1 chili, 1 tablespoon of oil, pinch of pepper powder and salt. Slice the cabbage and onions separately. Vegan, vegetarian, low carb and gluten-free. Green or white cabbage can be used to make this quick cabbage sample. Have you checked our last video about wing beans recipe? Please subscribe, like and comment if you're interested in our Me Rice YouTube channel contents. I hope you do. You can easily make this cabbage and coconut sample as a side dish to any of your main meals. Cabbage is prepared and consumed in many ways. The simplest options include eating the vegetable raw or steaming it, though many cuisines pickle, stew, saute or braise cabbage. I was talking too much. Let's go to our kitchen area. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. After, add sliced onion and chili. Gently leave it to temper until they soften, which will take about 2 minutes. Well mix and let it be frying for 2 minutes. Add the sliced cabbage. Mix in with tempered ingredients while letting it wilt over the heat for another 2 to 5 minutes, depending on how soft you want the cabbage to be. After, add salt to taste. Let me tell you something about cabbage. Pickling is a common way of preserving cabbage, creating dishes such as sauerkraut and kimchi, although kimchi is more often made from Chinese cabbage. Cabbage juice as an antidote for mushroom poisoning, for eye sobs, and for liniments for bruises. Close it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I tried to open it, but it burned my finger. Let's try it again to open. Again mixing it properly. Adding the pepper powder. Gradually mix in the coconut. Mix everything well and cook for another time. Add scraped coconut gradually. And mix everything properly. Gradually mix in the coconut. Mix everything well and cook for 1 minute. And close it for 2 minutes to everything cook. After 2 minutes of cooking, add a dash of lime if necessary. Remove from heat and you are done. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, comment and like if you love this.